These Android privacy settings can save your sleep and sanity. Your phone is watching you and that's what keeping you awake. So we are going to do some privacy settings. We are going to check it. So to do that, we need to go to settings and then look for anything which says security and privacy. So I have found it. I'll click on that. And here, this is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But in any Android phone, you will have the security and privacy. The menu might be different, but mostly all the things are same. So here we have more security settings and permission used in last 24 hours like camera, microphone, location. Check that which all applications are using it and go to more privacy settings and send diagnostic data should be turned off and Android personalization service should be also turned off. So once you do that, this usage diagnostic will be turned off automatically. So you just need to check these settings and you're good to go. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.